For just one bite, you'll fall in love with sesame fried beef. The recipe will definitely bring more joy to your party. Here are the ingredients: 350 grams of beef fillet, handfuls of kaffir lime leaves and 6 lemongrass stalks, 1 tablespoon of roasted sesame seeds, and here's the list. Prepare by firstly cut lemongrass stalks into medium-length pieces. Cut beef fillet into layers, not too thin, too thick, or too long. Make sure the pieces are good for just one bite individually. Season the beef with 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, half a tablespoon of seasoning powder, half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix them well together. Then marinate it for at least 30 minutes. Check if the cooking oil is ready. Then put the beef in. Check again if they're almost done. Then put the leaf and lemongrass in. Keep them there for about 5 minutes, or you can smell the fragrance from the leaf. Sprinkle a bit of roasted sesame seeds on top of it. Then you can serve this delicious sesame fried beef with other side dishes that I have uploaded in the channel. Thank you so much. I hope you like the recipe and share it with your families and friends. Please subscribe too.